Let's sketch this one. Y equals gx, where gx is that. Now here you can see there is a repeated root on x plus 3. Okay, so now when x equals 0, so when first let's do when y equals 0, you get x equals half and x equals negative 3. So there's a repeated root on negative 3 because there's a square there. Okay, and when x equals 0, you get y equals negative 3. Okay, so let's sketch that. X equals half, so it's a cubic. It's a positive cubic, so it starts, take a different color pen. So it starts from there, it's minus 3, half. That's half, it's negative 3. Okay, good. Because there's negative 3 and that's half, so I know this turning point is going to be on this side of 0 and on this side of 0. Okay, right. Now for part, this is A. Now for part B, we need to sketch g of 2x, which is a stretch in the x-axis. So it's a stretch in x-axis, scale factor half. So it's only going to affect the x coordinates of this graph. Okay, that is negative 3. Okay, so scale factor half, so all the x coordinates are going to half, so the shape is not going to change. Okay, so the shape stays the same, so that's going to be halved. Okay, so that will be minus 1.5. That will, the y coordinate will stay as it is, and half of half is a quarter. Okay, so that's B part 2. Now, sorry, B part 1. Okay, now let's do B part 2. Here, now if you look here, it's a stretch 2gx, it's a stretch in the y by scale factor 2. Stretch in y-axis, scale factor 2. Okay, so it's a different color pen. So the x coordinate stays as minus 3 and half, and the y coordinate will be multiplied by 2. So 3. So that's going to be 3. That stays as half, and that will be minus 6. Okay, and that's your, so what is important is all these coordinates. You need to have the correct coordinates. Okay.